Yeah. Now we will see similarity of triangles. Okay. Now see here I have drawn two triangles ABC and DEF. Two triangles I have drawn. Can you tell me what type of triangle it is? They are right angle triangles. Fine. Now listen very carefully. What is the angle A? 45 degree. What is the angle D? 45 degree. What is the angle B? 90 degree. What is the angle E? 90 degree. Similarly here 45, here 45. So here I have taken two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, in triangle ABC and DEF, see angle A is congruent to angle D, right? Angle B is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle F. Very carefully you see, here A means here D. This is called corresponding. Corresponding angles are congruent. See A and D. Similarly, what is similar to B? E. What about C, C and F? See here these three angles are congruent to three angles of the second triangle. Okay. Now that means if all the angles of the triangles are same, then the shape is same. If all angles of one triangle is congruent to corresponding angles of second triangle, then their shape is same. See here, this is also right angle triangle, this is also right angle triangle. Whether shapes are same? Yes, shape of both the triangles are same only when all the three angles of the first triangle is equal to all the angles of the second triangle. Then shape will be same. Now what about the size? Look at this. This is a smaller size, this is a bigger size. Then AB. What is the corresponding side of AB? DE. And here second side. What is the side here? BC. What is the corresponding side of BC in the triangle? EF. And what is the side corresponds to side AC? DF. Suppose, see here numbers are given, no? Here for example, see 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. See here for example 3 upon 6 equal to 4 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 10. What you will get? 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Yes, here we say they are proportional, they are in proportion. So what we say? We say that corresponding sides are in proportion. So, if any given two triangle satisfies two conditions, first condition is this: corresponding angles are congruent, and condition number 2, their sides are in proportion, then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. That's all. Understand or not? This is very simple. Now, test of similarity. How to test whether the two given triangles are similar or not? So, we are having some test. Okay? Test of similarity. First test, AAA test. I will explain to you. Now, here in figure ABC, under the correspondence, what does it mean? See here, ABC, both way we have given. That means A is corresponding vertex to D, B is corresponding vertex to E, C is corresponding vertex to F. Okay. Here what they had given, you see, angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle F. So, what is this AAA test says that if two triangles are having the same angles, corresponding angles should be same, corresponding, see A here D, so both are equal, B and E both are equal, C and D, therefore these two triangles are similar, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF under AAA test of similarity. That's all. Okay. Now, second test. SAS test. Now, you see here, now here what you see, from that itself, see here two triangles are given to you in the figure. Under 1-to-1 correspondence. Okay. Now, under 1-to-1 correspondence. Now, look at this. What about angle, sorry, what about side AB? First of all, side we will take AB. AB upon DE equal to 2.8 upon 4.2. Another one, BC upon EF equal to 2 upon 3. Here you can divide it. So, now see here, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF. That means what? This side and this side are in proportion. This side and this side are in proportion. Okay, these two are okay. Now what about angle in between? You see these two sides are there, that angle included between them are same. Here also 60, here also 60. Also angle B equal to 60 degree and angle E also 60 degree. Therefore angle B is congruent to angle E. So these two triangles, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF under SAS test of similarity. See, very simple. What I am saying is, see, one side, angle side of one triangle should be, see here, same as DEF. That means this side is proportional to this side is proportional to this side, and the angle in between them, see, two sides should be in proportion, corresponding two sides should be in proportion, and the angle in between them should be congruent. Then these two triangles are said to be similar. One more test of similarity is there, that we will see. See, this test is called ES test. That means all the sides of first triangle should be in proportion to the corresponding sides of the second triangle. That's all. So now here we will write, in triangle in the figure under the correspondence ABC DEF. Now we will see AB upon what is the corresponding sides? DE. What is that? 2.4 and 4. Now another side BC upon EF equal to 3 upon 5. Next one AC upon DF equal to 2.7 upon 4.5. Now see, here you have got 3.5, here we will multiply by 10. So it is 24 upon 40. So what you will get? Here also we will multiply by 10, 27 upon 45. Here you see these three are equal. AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. That means three sides of the first triangle are in proportion with the corresponding three sides of the second triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF under SSS test of similarity. Followed? So, similar means what? Two triangles are said to be similar if they have got the corresponding angle should be congruent, then only shape will be same. then what happen? Corresponding sides are in proportion. They are not equal, but in proportion. Then we say that those two triangles are said to be similar. Now, how to test? By giving the given data whether they are similar or not. There are three tests. First test is A test of similarity. If all the angles of one triangle is equal to or congruent to the corresponding angles of the second triangle, then definitely those two triangles will be similar. Next one, SAS test of similarity. Side of one triangle should be in proportion to side of the second triangle. Then they are if they are similar. Now, similarly, you take here two triangles. All the sides of first triangles are in proportion to all the sides of the second triangles. See, all the sides of first triangle should be in proportion to all the sides of the second triangle. Then they are said to be similar under SSS test. So, from here you will understand side. Another one SAS, side, angle, side, and first one angle. So, these three tests we will be using to find out whether the given triangles are similar or not. Okay, we will solve the problem, then you will understand how we are applying this test of similarity. Okay.